Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an alternative host to a Zoom meeting. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so we need to first head on over to zoom.com, make sure to sign into your account. Then once you've signed into your account, we want to click onto your account to come into this page. Then from here, we want to click onto the settings tab on the left hand side, and then click onto the meetings tab. And now where it says on the left hand side we've got these different tabs, click onto other, and then we will see schedule privilege. You can assign users in your account to schedule meetings on your behalf. You can also add schedule meetings on behalf of someone else that has assigned your scheduling privilege. You and the assigned scheduler must be on a paid plan within the same account. So to go ahead and add someone to be an alternative host, go ahead and click on add and then add that username or email address. And also we can check this box here that says can manage my private events as well. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on save. You can add a few people here as well. So if you want to add another one, just keep clicking these down as well.